Okay, guys, you may not be able to hear me again because of wind, but I've got a petrol station, so I had to stop filming and stop using my phone. Just in case my phone blew up or something like that, I don't know the reason behind it. But in that sense, I'm not the best. I'm not the smartest. Surprised Trina isn't at the window because it's wide open. But stop it!
Oh, you make me jump again. What?
It was.
God, me says something about bumblebee and a mouse sitting inside my head. A little green fly.
I'm sure. River. I didn't know what it was. Gianna, are you okay?
No, she's screaming and I don't know what.
I think she's just sad that she didn't go back to the forest or the woods. Gianna, did you enjoy your walk? She said, but I don't want it to end.
Maybe take her back out tonight. To what? To take her much further just now. 21 degrees.
Yeah.
Come on, son, come out. I need a tan.
I don't want the sun to come out because I burn easy and I don't have sunscreen.
I have.
Yeah, but I'm allergic to Pacific type.
Yeah, but it's one I specifically got for you and you've had it on before. And you were all right.
Okay. I'm definitely going to need a lot of sunscreen if we do go to Jamaica.
They've got stuff over there that just stops the sun touching your skin whatsoever.
But I want to get a tan. I just don't like to be burnt. Guys, if I'm doing this, it's because I have a lot of job to edit. And I don't need to edit out any more stuff. Like, I have to blur out faces, number plates, because I'm in the car.
Something wrong here.
Will be a breakdown.
Well, I hope he's not stopped to use the fucking phone because right on a bend. No, Laura's maybe got to pick him up. No, he's going. Keep going.
Actually, you can't really see the number plates. Maybe
Can't
find
go,
them.
mate. Well, I'm going there at speed. I got a cane of it.
Look at all the beautiful
And he?
hills. Oh yeah, that's.
And the Cairn Gorms.
I can't really see it.
Soon.
No, it's because that was in the way.
With the trees.
No,
No.
no. The thing on the side of the car that holds you up, the roof up.
Oh, the pillar.
Yes, it was my way of seeing it. I hope you can see the sky, but then he is over there and lots of clouds. Ah, there's Benny.
There's Benny right there.
Question. Did you name Ben after the name after the
No,
hill?
because Ben is called Benjamin.
Oh yeah. I have a friend in my class called Benjamin.
Better pictures now.
Beautiful hill. Are they cows or horses? I'm not
Anyway, that one's in front of you over there. It's all Cairnamount.
What?
The Cairnamount.
Don't know what that name is. The hill.
What's the name of the hill? Cairnamount. Cairn Gardens.
I thought Ben and he and all them at the hill were all the same hill.
No. It's right off.
God. I'm definitely gonna have to look
The
through.
other name for Ben, it's because that's shaped as a woman's body when you look at it from a plane.
Really?
It's a mother's nipple. It looks like a nipple in a book. I'll show you whatever on the plane.
Wait. We go past Ben and he.
Fly over Kevin every time.
Okay, I'm definitely going to get my mum. So let me go now.
Probably be able to video of my house.
Really?
Yeah.
I can video things from up. Okay, can I?
Remember we went up the other road?
Yeah.
This wood bit here you would come out at.
I I really hope this is good footage.
Fucking beastie on my neck. That green thing again.
Out the window then.
It's dead now. So I guess we're trying to eat my neck.
Question.
Horses. But I don't know where they're at today. Could be out or on another field.
Oh, they could be getting ridden.
Yeah, so it could be out.
Grandma, in Jamaica, is there mosquitoes?
Yes.
I hate mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes, most places you go in, like.
Mosquito bite you.
Oh, I smell cowbug. Oh, get a storm around my house.
Oh. Wait, we really need to do this video fast.
She's wanting her walk. But looking what's way to come at us.
Yeah.
That's thunder and lightning in there.
So we'll at least have time to do my water bucket challenge.
Possibly. It might not come to nothing, it might just move on. Look at the rain chucking it down on the hill over there, Emma. See the black coming down? That's the rain. Look at Ben here right in front of you now.
Guys, that is Ben. We're not that close, guys, but I zoomed in because there's a whole bunch of forest. Has anybody walked Ben here?
Yes, I used to do it every year from school to raise money. That's another field to get my horse in. And that's a pond down there where we've just been.
Oh, before you ask, guys, everybody in my family almost loves sausages. Almost. Especially me. I love sausages.
You parked up the pavement. The road bit.
Welcome to Kenny. Where's that stone?
What's doing?
The stone that says welcome to Kenny.
I'll come in a different way. Come in the way we were out.
No, that's sad.
Got the shop for ice cream.
No, I'm not. I'm sad because I like the stone. It should be all the kids to get to Kenny.
See the brown houses down there with the balconies, so you can't
Yeah.
see them for that. That's where I first stayed in Kemney.
Well,
Please keep your dog's feet in. Thank you, Mr. Policeman.
to a park.
Yep, with little sausage dog.
And another German Shepherd. That looked just like PR.
Yeah, that's my friend. Well, was my friend. Not now.
Why?
Bred that pups. She made friends with boy, and that was the end of me and her.
I thought you and Vi were friends. Grandma.
Well, I reckon for he's gone, but we're both coming in at the same time. I don't mind reversing out. Right, I'll just take my bag with me.
Tiana. There is a beautiful Tiana. Titi. No, she's so pretty. Tiana. Walkies? Wait, you already went on your walk. Hi. Titi. Tiana. Tiana. Trying to get. Hi. Come here. This is a beautiful Tiana. But guys, Tiana is actually not my dog. She's my gran's dog, and I'm staying with her for a bit. Yeah, I know it's locked down, but the restrictions have been eased. But I mean, me and my gran haven't seen each other in 12 weeks. I'm probably going to end the video here because it's getting a bit to 10 minutes. So, like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications. Subscribe, like, turn on notifications. And guys, if you live in Aberdeen or Chad area, go to Woodchurch School. It's the best. But the reason I don't have a normal coloured jumper is because I'm going to have to blur out so many names. This is a lever's jumper. It's in the shape, oh god. Shape of a 2020. And it's 2020. And that is me. You won't see it here because I'm going to blur it out. But yeah, that is a name reveal. Did have it on my channel before I changed the name. It is Jane Lemberg, guys. Lemberg. So, if you want to join the Lemberg fam, the Lemley fam, you can't join the Bear fam because that's actually a game tag for quite a few things. But also, like I just sing my family house. So my mum's got Tahi Bear. She has her own channel. I think it's over Tahi Bear. Yeah, we've got a channel with Tahi Bear. No, but my mum does like GTA, stuff like that. But I don't. I'm a kids friendly channel because I'm a kid with myself. So, but give this a video a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll do a lot more nature stuff. Bye.